we are at the Yale University, and it's a very beautiful place, very antique. This is the church bells, which is standing so tall and very captivating. But how is this monuments of Yale University at Connecticut? Along the
just entering it, it's very big.
yeah. These are the very old and beautiful buildings. It's a very famous university. It's a very beautiful university with a lovely architecture. And the chimes sounds is also very beautiful. It's a very beautiful building, very lovely architecture. So beautifully they have done. It is Brantford College. This is Jonathan Edwards College. Marshall's Mandhadov College. This is the place where Josiah Willard Gibbs, 1839 to 1903, he invented the thermodynamics. It's a very beautiful university of ancient times, but very well maintained and preserved. These are the space wings of the college. It's a beautiful university. Every university has its own beauty and antiquity. Everywhere they are maintaining excellent gardens. Students are sitting down and enjoying their food.
Head northeast.
Dukes of Yale, Yale University. So Padma is relaxing at the Yale University campus. Okay, thank you for watching the video at the Yale University. It is very unique, and they are maintaining the antique beauty of its structures and the college. Thank you for watching the video.